3D Systems was up more than 150% in 2013 so far. Will 2014 be another killer year? Hi fools, I'm Steve Heller, and today we're talking 3D printing's biggest name and whether the stock can have another killer year like it did in 2013. So before we jump into company specifics, let's talk industry growth rates and how they fit into analyst expectations. So according to Wohlers Associates, the 3D printing industry is expected to grow from a $2.2 billion industry in 2012 to a $4 billion industry by the end of 2015. This breaks down to a compounded annual growth rate of 22.2% a year. As a result, analysts are expecting that 3D Systems will grow its full year 2014 revenues by nearly 29% to about $663 million. This is over 2013 results, that 29% figure. So in other words, analysts are definitely believing in 3D Systems' ability to be an above average grower, which they have proven in the past. Definitely not surprising here. The 3D Systems definitely already considered one of those leaders in the 3D printing space, and its acquisition history will allow it to grow revenues at a potentially faster clip. So what does this mean for the stock that's risen more than 150% year to date? Well, it likely means that 3D Systems will have to exceed analyst expectations for it to sustain the incredible momentum that the stock has experienced over the last year. Even if 3D Systems exceeds expectations, I wouldn't necessarily bank on another year where the stock more than doubles in price. I think over the long term that could definitely be possible, but it seems that short-term expectations surrounding the company are quite high, and I don't expect growth to necessarily be in a straight line from A to B. So the key takeaway for investors is don't anchor on the past and assume that 3D Systems will have another massive year just because the 3D printing industry is expected to grow significantly. Instead, look at the business today and how it's working to become a great business for tomorrow. So in this context, I still think 3D Systems is the best 3D printing stock to own in the year ahead, and it will continue serving investors well over the long term, but still, I'm not expecting a home run year like another 150% gained in 2013. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Steve Heller, and Fool On.